Yo, what is up, guys? Today we're going to be getting into the best reselling vendors and products for you to either start your reselling journey, or if this is in addition to your products that you already have. So our first product, oh, and quick, before I start, all links for these products are going to be in the description. That's how they always are in all my videos. You can just check them out down below. They'll be right there. Okay, our first one is a camera. It is $78 right now. I don't really know very much about cameras, I'm not gonna lie, but when I saw this and I compared it to the Amazon price for it, it is absurd. Okay, so $78 here, exact same camera for almost not 900, $869. So the price difference for this is absolutely nuts. That's an absolutely insane product, and this would do so well. As you can see, also on Amazon, there's only 8 left, so this thing is going by really fast, and there's a lot of demand for this. So I would definitely check out this product. That'll be the first link in the description. I would recommend this one, probably the most out of all of these, but the other ones are still really good. But this is probably the best product I've ever found, genuinely. Up there, at least best product. The price difference is insane. You put this up for, $700, that's $600 every time someone buys something. That is absurd. That is an insane product to start with, or to just use. We're gonna start, now our next product is gonna be Game of Spades. It's a cologne. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it. If you're into colognes, you might have, but as you can tell, it's 24 67 and then this one's up for 60. So right there, that's a price difference of 40. You put this one up for 40 and you make $20 every single time someone buys one. Pretty good deal. That one's a decent product, especially if this can be like an experimental first try, since it's only $24. It's a low cost item. All right, and then we'll move on to this one. So I've actually talked about this one before. This is an Aura ring. They're really good. It's only, 36 with the discounts. Actually, I never saw that. It's $31. And then if you just go on Amazon, absurd price difference of $343. The reason I'm not too excited about this one, because this one is an insane deal, is because I've already put this in a couple of my videos, but still, this product is still doing really well, especially with Aura trending right now. I would definitely look into it. It's pretty good. As you can tell, that it comes in the right box, everything. It works pretty well. So if I were to recommend any, it would definitely be this camera one. Then second would be this, and then this one I added just for kind of if anyone wants to experiment with it, or just broaden their horizon. And try this one, try cologne out. Okay, if you want to check out more vendors, I'll add a little video tag over here in the corner right now, and will be really good if you need them. If you need more products, because I have a lot that have really high price differences, sort of like this camera. Not as much as this camera, but dude, really good product right here. I'm really excited about this. But yeah, definitely make sure to check out my other videos. Yeah, and all links are in the description. Again, just to re-emphasize that, if you want to check them out, they're all in the description. You don't have to search for them. All right, peace out. See y'all later. Have a great rest of your day. That is my reselling products video for the day. Peace out.